guys, and very warm welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start how we are going to install Python on the machine, what all does it includes while we install it, like the zip file, kinder, the documentation module, and how we are going to use that while making a program. So let's start. So first of all, we need to open up the browser and we need to type in here https python.org. I got it here. So this will pull up the website for Python. Go to downloads and here you will see Python 3.9.6. So this is the latest one, 3.9.6. So maybe you may get some other version while you're trying to install it, because it may have other versions. If you see down, there are some other versions which are the previous one in the release notes. So this 3.9.6 is not for Windows 7. So if you go about on the home page of Python, you will see this cannot be used on Windows 7 3.9. So I have Windows 10, so we are going to install it. Download Python 3.9.6, the latest one. So I'm going to downloads, save, and going to run this file. Now, what we need to do here. First of all, you need to add this at Python 3.9 to path. This is very important. It will help you later. And now I'm going to choose custom installation. Now, what it shows documentation. I need this. It shows pip, which is the Python installer package. I need this. Now we have TK and ideally, which is used for making some GUIs, graphics, button menus, and ideally, which is your integrated development learning environment to run the programs, and Python test suite. So I'm going to run this. Click on next. Now, I need to make an install for all users. That's up to you how you want to have it. And I'm going to change the path for my installation. Reason being, to select the customized path to install it on my Windows 10 machine. So I'm going to select under C drive. I already have the folder with the name Python. Here it is. I'm going to install it here. Reason being, the program files folder sometimes is not signed up with the other programs. So I'm going to install it here and click on install. So this is being installed. So you can see installing these standard libraries, all the documentations which we have selected, and very soon you will get a prompt that it has been installed. So just waiting to finish it up. Installing the updated scripts, the TK support, which is used for graphics, creating buttons, menus. So it's now done. We can see successful setup now. So click on close. Now this has been installed. Okay. So now let's see what we have done. We go to start. We see for the programs. We should see a Python folder. Here it is. Okay. So let's go one by one. So first we have ideally. Let me click on this first. Alright guys, so you can see now ideally shell 3.9.6 is launched, And this is a shell where we work directly in Python, where you can execute your commands. For example, if I say a is equal to 4 and I want to check the value of a, it will give you the number 4. Now I give a b is equal to 5. Now I put a plus b, a plus b, enter, the answer is 9. So this is the Python IDE shell. We will go in deep some more. So guys, we will go in detail once we start the arithmetic option in IDE and the program. Let's see what else do we have in Python folder. So if I go here, I come down. Second would be the Python 3.9 64-bit. It's again the IDE, but with the black screen. So if you see here, the output would be same. If I say a is equal to 4, it's 4, b is equal to 5. If I need to simply say a divided by b, the answer would be 0.8. So you can use this one as well. I need to close this, exit, enter, this one, exit to the function to close this shell, and okay. So let's see what else do we have. So we discussed first two in the Python folder, now other two. So now I go to the manuals, most important, I mean for the learners. So we installed 3.9.6. So it has the documentation which you were seeing online. What all does it have? So what's new if you click on left hand side, what's new in Python, you'll find out difference between the older versions. What all do we have? So it has like what's new in 3.7. If you go down, what's new in 3.4. Let's click on this one, release summary. So you will find the details like new syntax features, no new syntax features, which pip does it have. Alright, so this is the documentation which we have, which you can see like what's new in Python 3.9, what's new in 3.8, 3.7. So let's check the highlights, what's new in 3.9.7, please notes. So this all is the new one, which says new syntax features, which is for PEP 584, 585. And if you go down, if you have Windows 7, then you might have some other versions, 3.8, which will be for Windows 7 as well. So again, you need to check the version and release notes first before you're going to install it on the machine, depending on the requirement. Next, what we're going to see is the last one which we have under Python new folder. So 3.9, it would be your module docs. So I have 64-bit machine, so that's why it shows 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, then it will show you 32-bit on the machine. So, okay, this is the built-in modules, which will help you a lot. So if you see like CMath, let's open CMath. So this has the functions which are inbuilt in Python. So you can see the function, what is the use, and how you can use them. Okay, and let us go back and see one more. Let's see array, the group of set. So you can see the more details about the array, the functions, and what all inbuilt does it have. So if I go back, if you go down, you will find some more DLL files. Okay, the library, it's a huge library. You should know how to work on them, else you will find everything here if you are sure that which library is used for which purpose. So you can see it's a long list for libraries. Okay, so I click this one. Now once you open this one, it will open up this one as well, the server connect, because it connects to local server. Local means the one on which you have installed the machine, the Python. So I click on Q, exit, it will be stopped. So guys, that was about the installation. What all does it have? What all does it include? how it will help us. Alright guys, so let's start now about the Python arithmetic operators, which are basically your mathematical operators, like we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. So let's start one by one and how we can work directly with them in the shell. So let's start first with the plus operator, which is the additional operator. So this is my ideal shell. If you see, I input here value of a is equal to 4. So this a is called the operand, where I'm assigning the value 4 to it, and I put in b is equal to 5. So if I put in a plus b and I press enter, it will be number 9. So this is the plus operator. So the plus sign is the additional operator here, and even you can add 3 values, like if I say one more, b is equal to 5. Now if I say a plus b plus d, now the value would be 14. So you can use this plus operator multiple times to add the values. Alright, the other one is the subtraction operator. The minus sign is the subtraction operator here. So everyone knows, if I say a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and I put in a minus b, so the answer would be 3. So it's very simple mathematics. I mean, nothing to learn about the syntax, everything. So that's why Python is called very easy to work on. So if I give here b minus a, the answer would be minus 3. So that is about the subtraction operator. So moving towards third one, which is the multiplication operator, and the sign here is the star symbol. So if I say directly, I can do this. 4, if I say into 3, the answer would be 12. And I can put by assigning values as well. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, a multiplied by b, the answer would be 12. So you can use anyways. So that is the subtraction operator. So other one would be the division operator, like we have the slash symbol, that is the division operator, and is used to find the quotient when first operand is divided by the second. So let's say I put in 4 divided by 2, the answer would be 2. If I need to do it other way, I can assign the values. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, and give me the values a slash b, answer would be 2.0. So that is the division operator. The other operator is the modulus operator, the modulus, which is the fifth one, and the sign for here is the percentage sign. If I given the value a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, and if I put in a percentage by b, the answer would be 0, because the emitter is 0. The other way I can put directly is 4 percentage number 2, the answer would be 0. So that is the fifth operator, which is the modulus one. So going forward, we have the sixth one, which is the exponential operator. So the sign here is 2 stars, which is star star, and it's used to raise the first operand the power of second. If I say 2 star star 3, the answer would be 8. That means 2 we put in into 2, we put in into 2, that is the power of 8. Other way would be a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So if I put in a star star b, the answer would be 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So that is the sixth one, the exponential operator, and seventh one is the floor division. So it is used to conduct the floor division to find the quotient where the operand is divided by second. So it is done by 2 slash. If you see above, if we divide by 4 by 3, the answer is 1.33. If I do it like this with the floor division, 2 slash times 3, the answer would be 1. So that is round off, which you might have studied in mathematics. So that's all about the operators as of now, and there are 7 operators. So the other way which we can use is we can click on File, we can click on New File. So here we do most of the programming. Alright guys, so I clicked on File, I got this new ideally to run the program. So this is the most, where you will frequently write the programs. So let me give a small program to print 2 numbers, how we do it in this console. So I put in A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Now I put in 3 is equal to A, the operand plus B, and I give in print C. So I need to save this file first. I'm going to save as, and I'm saving it in the location in Python. Okay, let me save with print program. So I click on save, and I need to just press F5 key to run this program, and I'll get the answer. See, the answer is 15. So this is the way how we do program. If I do something more here, I'll just hold on. File, new file. Okay. So A is equal to 4. Print. Now I need to put something like this. Value of A is comma A. Oh, I need to close this. Okay. So let me save it first. Save as print 1. Save 5. So I get value of A is 4. So guys, that's much today in this video, and this is just about the basics, how you're going to learn it. So if we'll talk further again. So guys, that is for today's video. So please like and comment and subscribe the channel. Share your feedback in the comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.